Welcome to the AI Prompt Engineer. Today I am going to show you a platform where we can sell our own prompts and also we can purchase some prompts from there and use it in our daily work. So let's go to this promptbase.com. This site, just go to this. And you can see here this is the home page where we have an option to sell prompts as well as to find prompts, and also we can see here lots of feature prompts are already available related to mid journey, daily, and also ChatGPT. So as you see here, there are lots of featured prompts, trending prompts as well, the prompts which are right now trending on this platform. So and similarly, you can see the last one here, newest prompts, like the prompts which are recently maybe uploaded here. So that's our, as you see, mid journey prompts are there several, and there is a GPT-3 writing essay prompts and so many other functionalities. So this is just overview of this prompt based tool. So this platform is really going to help us a lot because most of the time we don't have that much accuracy in our prompts, so we simply purchase our prompts in a very low cost from here and use it. So as you see here in a filter, if you just go to trending, you can see all these prompts are trending prompts related to GPT. So let's go to this content creation for courses. You can see right side all details are given, even token sizes are given, average cost example as well. Like as you see, this is example how this prompt will work. We can see this example, like we simply write quick 5-part courses for content creations and we are getting 5 parts as an output. So yeah, if somebody's have a very less time or they don't have that much time to do some experiments and to find the right prompt, then for those people this platform is a best choice. Just go and purchase your required prompts and use it, or maybe if you are capable to build your own prompts, then just build it and sell it here. So as you see, these all are just overview descriptions, and if somebody's give you a review, you are able to see this review. So let's go to explore some more. Just go to most popular one and let's see. These are some most popular GPT-3 prompts. So click on this first prompt generator. As you see in the right side, we are getting a token size, all things, and you can see the input of how this prompts will work. Just the prompt will generate a marketing copy that increase conversations. So this is the use of this prompt. So if somebody is related to marketing, then definitely they want this kind of prompts. So they have to just go to this, the bottom one, get prompt button, click, and they have to purchase this prompt for their use. As you see, these all are input outputs and several examples are given. We also build our same similar prompts and give all those descriptions and details which everybody can see. So these are some more popular and